let's get started. We're going to touch on a variety of topics in the next 50 or so minutes, but to kick things off and to set the stage, let's start with a discussion on general opportunities and challenges.
Again, my name is Mark Mullin. I'm the president and CEO of Transamerica and a management board member for Aegon NV. Our company is active in the United States, throughout the United States. We're a top 10 company across life, savings, investments, retirement, as well as longevity products. We are part of an international group, as I mentioned, Aegon, which is domiciled in the Netherlands. We can talk about international later in the conference if folks choose. I'll just tell you I spent a lot of time on airplanes and have lost most of my hearing as a result.
About 3 years ago, we spun off from ING, and we often think of ourselves as a startup company as a result, but a startup company with 7,000 employees and 13 million customers. Now, being a startup, what that allowed us to do is define a new vision to be America's retirement company, a mission to help Americans plan, invest, and protect their savings so that they can secure financial futures and ultimately retire better. It let us change our culture, introducing continuous improvement and putting the customer to the center of our organization and our daily activities. And finally, it let us have a new brand.
So Principal is headquartered about 4 blocks from here, but we are a global company of about 20 million customers and 15,000 employees. We operate in 4 main businesses. Here in the U.S., we have 2 primary businesses, our retirement business and our insurance business, which I oversee. And then we have an international operation where we've taken our retirement expertise here in the U.S. and exported that to countries, emerging markets in Latin America and Asia. And then across all of our businesses, it's supported by our global asset management business, which Bob, our economist earlier today, is a part of that organization.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Bill Wheeler. I'm the president of Athene. Athene is a private Bermuda-domiciled life insurer which manufactures fixed and indexed annuities for the U.S. annuity market, and we also provide a lot of reinsurance for a variety of transactions, both here in the U.S. and around the world. Athene is a relatively young company. It's only been in existence about 8 years. It is the product of 5 acquisitions, the largest of which was a company called Aviva, or some of you have been around a while would know it as Ameris, which is obviously here in town. We have now consolidated all of our U.S. operations into our campus in West Des Moines.
Thanks. My name is Nicholas von Moltke, and I'm president and COO of Global Atlantic Life and Annuity. When we talk about Global Atlantic, we like to think of ourselves perhaps as one of the more successful U.S.-focused life insurance companies that many people haven't heard about. And there's a number of reasons for that. Number one, we are also, like some of the colleagues here, a relatively new company. We had originally grown up inside of Goldman Sachs, but we were spun out 3 years ago, which is when we started using the name Global Atlantic. The second reason is we're not a public company. We're a privately held company. We have about 1,400 shareholders, and included in that is about 25% of our employee population of around 800.